Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 WPM. Ready? Start. Questioning the charge hyphen sheet against the petitioners, the court observed that it was a case where the matrimonial relationship did not work out well between the husband and wife, and in order to bring the in hyphen laws to their knees and to concede to the expectations of the wife, FIR was registered against them. Stop. Section 498A of IPC has become an easy tool in the hands of the complainants to settle the scores by getting false FIRs registered containing the exaggerated and manipulated allegations. Stop. The court noted that there was no ever meant that any demand for dowry was made either prior or at the time for the expenditure incurred in the function of marriage, and that the wife's family had performed the marriage according to their status and had spent money accordingly. Stop. Justice Krishna observed that while the true victims must get justice, but the courts must ensure that Section 498A of IPC is not be permitted to be misused and abused in order to ensure the credibility and faith in the justice delivery system. Stop. The court noted that there was an adjustment issue between the wife and her husband, which was given a color of dowry harassment, and that the FIR was registered as a counterblast to the divorce case filed by the husband. Stop. While the court quashed the charge hyphen sheet, it refused to quash the complaint case registered by the wife under the Domestic Violence Act. Stop. She had sought reliefs for protection, residence order, monetary relief, custody of the child, as well as compensation. Stop. The court observed that even if the contention of in hyphen laws was accepted, that there was no domestic violence, but the right of the wife to claim residence was still maintainable. Stop. As already noted above, it is essentially a civil proceeding, and whether the respondent hyphen wife is entitled to the reliefs sought by her in her petition under Section 12 of the DV Act is a matter to be adjudicated upon by the learned MM after considering the case on its merits. Stop. It cannot be held at this stage that the proceedings are vexatious, or that outrightly no cause of action is disclosed in the petition and is liable to be quashed. Stop. The Delhi High Court has observed that the child being in custody of the husband after matrimonial disputes arise between the parties is not cruelty or harassment under section 498A of Indian Penal Code, 1860 stop over। सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी 80 WPM पे। सो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।